Cheers, friends.
Hi there.
Welcome to Circus Circus.
Yeah, welcome.
I'm going to get a lot more of these. Well, at least they got real people working the desks.
And only $37.42 will be charged. The $25 will be taken off when you check out.
West Tower elevators up to the second floor, and then right, and then down to another set of elevators. Oh, what's those? Alright, now for the big reveal. Okay, first impression, not as scary as I thought it was going to be. So, let's check out the bathroom. Pretty standard, nice long counter, big mirror. Not the worst. I've seen complaints about the conditions of the toilets. Looks clean. Got some stains, but no mildew, no mold. Not the quickest to drain. You can tell, I don't know if it'll show up on the camera, but I can't tell when the last time was they vacuumed in here. There are little particles of food and whatnot on the floor. We'll tear the rug. Find the safe. Oh, somebody left us a little present. A little treasure. Yeah, don't need that. Furniture is a little rough, it's beat up. Extra closet space, nice light. A full mirror.
Fabric with cats on it. We need to help this man. All of it together.
Those fingernails have been gouging into these things. The closet. Plenty of hanging space here. Lots of dings and nicks. Desk. Here's our view. Not bad, not bad. You can see Fremont Street, the Strat. There's the Strat. Fremont Street's down that way. AC is a little dingy and dated, but it's blowing cold air. Like the lamps have the USB and the power in them. There's a little desk. Oh, a Bible. There's a little bit of a stain there. And as far as I know, Circus Circus is the only resort here on the Strip that offers RV parking. Looks like that pool's closed, but the water slides are open. And back there is the Circus Circus Manor, converted motel rooms. Out in the back, all that asphalt out there is where they hold events, put up giant tents, have big music festivals and concerts. Like the water bottle, that bag's not ours. Now originally Circus Circus was just built as a casino with a second floor arcade for the kids with no hotel. Wasn't doing so well, so they added a hotel, and they added another hotel, and they added the motels in the back, and they started adding towers. So it just kind of grew over time. However, they didn't put a lot of thought into navigating it, so it is a bit of a maze at times. So what are the dining options at Circus Circus? Let's check them out. That's a good sign. The buffet, it's open. It's not very crowded. And right next to the manga shop, steakhouse. The one you want?
Yeah, I think so.
Got the grilled garlic shrimp appetizer. Nice heated garlic butter. These things are big. So Gina's daughter just found out that we're staying at Circus Circus tonight. Now truthfully, oh wow, it's so dark.
It is really dark.
But normally, locals only come here for this steak restaurant. That's the only
reason. Only.
That's good about this place. This is really good. It's good quality butter. Not super garlicky. The lemon hits that nice
butter though.
citrus. That kind of just cuts through everything. And the shrimp just absorb the flavor from the grill.
It's definitely tasty. I would prefer a little bit more garlic though. So one nice thing, a little bonus about the steakhouse at the Circus Circus is that your soup or salad, your sides, which include some sort of starch, and vegetables are all included with your steak. We could have come in the heyday. Like, it looks like the 90s was good. Like
Yeah.
every year from 90 to 2002.
Yeah, I don't think that place has changed much in the years, so it's probably just as it was back in the 90s, just people's tastes have changed, things have been
Maybe.
elevated.
Yeah,
You can't just throw salt on a steak now and throw it on the grill and call it good.
I know.
So if we want some really classic Vegas, I guess this would be the place to go. Very flavorful, not overly sweet. Nice and creamy. Coconut strawberry. What did you get, hon?
I think it's called Baccio, chocolate hazelnut, I think.
Yeah.
Coconut's delicious.
Well. And maybe one of the best benefits of staying at a $35 room at Circus Circus is you could walk over to Resorts World. Now, if you come to Circus Circus, it's because you have kids and you're coming for the Adventure Dome or the Midway.
The sensations of the air, international circus stars, the Flying Circus.
Got some snacks. And the most popular bar we've seen so far.
Right? That's because the parents need to drink. I haven't seen this one. Maybe it's not down or something.
They got rides for all ages. Oh, they got their own teacups. Now, I can't find the definitive hours for right now, but I can see the appeal. I'm just spending $50, $60 for your kid to be here for 10.
Hours and hours and hours.
And there is legit a piece of poop in our room.
Now, it's not terribly smoky here, but you do hit clouds of smoke, even at 9 o'clock in the morning. There's definitely a reason the ceiling is painted brown. Definitely some kind of ventilation issue going on here. And we have Big Top Eats, kind of like a little diner. Breakfast is pretty basic here at Big Top Eats. As you can see, there was a lot of seasoning, probably out part in the eggs, bacon was good, frozen hash browns, toast, nothing exciting. Alright, so it's the next day and we're getting ready to check out. And here are our final thoughts. I slept comfortably.
I was a little cold last night, but the bed, definitely not the worst we've slept in.
It is soft.
It's a softer bed.
It feels clean. The shower had hot water and good water pressure.
Draining issue.
Yes, there was a draining issue.
I want to be able to say that I enjoyed it more and that just that it was a nicer experience. It wasn't awful. I just wish it was cleaner.
We're 99% sure that that's a piece of dog poop in the closet. They need to invest in vacuum cleaners here. It's just not our room, the hallways, it's the casino floor. But
It's everywhere, yeah.
See attendants cleaning the slot machines.
Yeah, the ashtrays are empty. They're always pushing in the chairs. So it gives the appearance, things down there are straightened, they're not clean. And that's two different things.
Yeah, and it's definitely outdated. Much needed repairs and updating, which they are reportedly doing. They said that they're investing millions of dollars. They didn't give an amount. And supposedly by maybe the end of next year, the casino and hotel rooms will all be updated. The elevator situation is not good. So when you have families and you have big packs,
Yeah.
you know, it's a lot of people that take up one elevator. And so you end up waiting.
And waiting.
Yes. And we chose to go up on a higher floor. I think we have a better view, but you'll stop at every other level going down. It's the same reaction every time the door opens of frustration that another elevator
Is completely
full.
packed. But I mean, it does tell you the occupancy here is pretty high. This is probably the most crowded place we've been since we've been staying at the hotels.
I would say that Circus Circus is a kids resort, not a family resort, a kids resort.
Yeah, a lot of unaccompanied minors.
Well, I don't know if there's a lot. I mean, I think the majority of families are well behaved, but it doesn't take
Much.
a lot.
Yeah, to ruin it.
Yeah, to kill the vibe here. And there will be plenty of kids running around through the casino, through the adults.
Yeah,
area.
and there are also a lot of sport teams here right now, youth sport teams, and you know, they travel in big packs.
So this is a place that your kids will never say that they're bored. But there really isn't a lot of activities for adults. There are no shows,
Yeah.
just the
No
Midway.
music, just
Yeah, no.
gambling.
But yeah, even if you're just an adult looking for a place to stay, I wouldn't recommend this. There are other
No.
places in the price point, even in the area, that
Yeah.
would be a lot more comfortable.
I was expecting worse. Are you glad we did it?
I mean, we can check it off the bucket list.
We gotta check it off the list.
Let's go get our tetanus shots.
There we go.